It is the first occasion that we have organized a summer camp at this stage. It has been inspired, nice, pleasing, that those who came, they came with good zeal, good involvement, and with good effort. Sorry to feel that 80 students are absent today in the class. Some teachers are also absent today. This gives pain to me. Whatever little I have read, it was the Second World War. Florence Nightingale was a girl. She went with a water in her hand. And those who were the moving soldiers lying in the battlefield, she was offering water to them. And each one said that the next one is more thirsty than myself. A sense of involvement, a sense of concern for others. That is the value system that we teach in this. The aim of teaching moral education is to teach these moral standards, moral. The function has been organized, but not to my satisfaction. There have been a number of limitations, deficiencies, which I don't like to share from the lunch. I'll talk later on. These are the occasions through which we teach a student. Hardly there will be a lady who doesn't dance, I'm from a village, who doesn't dance in the local culture. Whether it is marriage, whether it is holy, whether it is Navdevi, but once a school comes, they feel so sorry, a dance is a very bad thing. I was a student of class 7, there was a lesson in Hindi, Lalit Kalan. There are 40 Lalit Kalan, they used to be stories that villagers used to teach, and the highest level of Kala is dance. Because just through your action, you picturize the scene, you communicate. Next comes music. Through music, you only through your awaz, your rag, you communicate the heartbeat. But I don't know why do the people feel shy. This is a school. If the children are taking part, they are participating. Why should we feel shy? These are the ways that we teach the children. This is the occasion, an important occasion, and teachers are absent. It gives pain. And I am not informed. Abhi to I am alive, and still what I am feeling, the treatment which I am getting, that nobody showed this much courtesy. I don't need respect, God has given me. I have thought enough respect. What I pains me, that minimum courtesy should always be shown even to the enemies. I used to go to see Ram Leela for Ravan. Respect shows by shaking left hand, not right. What the hand is shaking. So what I am trying to say is these are the occasions on which we teach children ABCD, books, this is enough, not enough. Enough is personality development. And personality development doesn't mean your physical beauty, physical attraction. It means how you talk, how you stand, how you think, how you feel, how you show concern for others, how do you behave with others. These are the things we teach, how to dress yourself. How much attention we pay to this? What to pay attention to children? We don't pay attention even to ourselves. So, these are the things, these are the occasions. These occasions are not feel heavy and make human cry. These are the occasions through which we give training, how to organize the things. A function has been organized, how many efforts have gone, how many people have been involved, how many days have gone, how much time. still there will be many weaknesses, many limitations left. So what I am trying to say, that this time doesn't come again. The childhood is a book which is meant only for teaching and learning. In psychology, the Freud principle is first 5 years of life make 95% of personality of the child. And the first 5 years we just ignore life. So the bacha, and we forget that everything like this is going in his mind, in his heart. There was a book which has been stolen, Slips of Pen and Tongue. A friend writes letter to his friend, and he wants to write that my crop has been destroyed by wave. W-A-I-F, wave into one. He happens to write, my crop has been destroyed by wave. W-I-F. Because he was a psychologist, he preserved it, he was concerned there is something seriously wrong with my friend. Why have you written word wave instead of wave? And when he meets after some time, he shares the same and he comes to know that his wife was cold and therefore he happened to write the letter wife and letter. Whatever we be, generally he told the thing, वो गलती हो गई हो जाती है, वो क्यों जाती है, की जाती है, हमसे होती है, हमें तो करते हैं. If we will pay attention to everything, ये हुआ है अपने आप में